Okay, I'm awake. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I put on my blue shirt and gray pants. I put on my blue shirt and gray pants. Now I'm ready for school. I eat eggs and bread for breakfast. I put my books and pencils in my bag. Goodbye, Daddy. I am going to school.
Have a great day, son.
I will.
Bye. Be safe.
The yellow school bus is here. I hop in. Bye, Mom. See you after school. Have a great day, sweetie. Hi, bus driver.
Morning, champ. Ready for school?
Yeah, let's go. I sit next to the window. I see many trees. Look, this is my school. It is very big. I feel a little nervous, but I am brave. Where is room 10? Oh, it is here.
Whoa, new class! Hello, I am Ms. Rose. Welcome to class.
Hi, Ms. Rose.
We're so glad to have you. Ready to learn?
Yes.
And you must be Alex. I love your backpack.
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Hello, teacher. My name is Leo. Nice to meet you. Hello, Leo. It's so nice to meet you too. Welcome to our class. What a wonderful introduction, Leo. Welcome to our class. Please sit down, Leo. Choose a desk.
Okay, thank you.
Wonderful. We're so glad to have you. All right, class. Let's meet our new student, Sam.
Hi, I am Sam. What is your name? Hi, Sam. I'm Leo. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Leo. Want to be friends? Yeah. Hey, Leo. Want to be friends and build the coolest tower with blocks at recess? Yeah, Sam. That sounds awesome. Great. It's a plan. I can't wait.
Open your English book to page 5.
Wow, big Slafit's been in focus. Yes. Let's see what happens on the first page. A is for apple. B is for bopple. B is for ball.
Now, let's write our names.
Okay. That's it, Leo. Great job.
Excuse me, Sam. Can I borrow your eraser?
Sure, Leo. Here you go. It is break time. Let's go to the playground. Yes! Woo! Let's go! like to slide. This is so much fun. I am thirsty. I drink water from my bottle.
Watch this.
The bell is ringing. Let's go back.
Okay.
The day is over. Pack your bags, children.
Goodbye, friends. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Leo. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, children. Have a wonderful evening.